So what do you do when it's summer, but you have a drawer full of winter makeup? And by that, I mean it's either too heavy or it's too dark or it just doesn't work for the time of year. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your makeup products work for you, no matter what the season. So first things first, when it comes to skin prep, I'm going to recommend that you try and scale down your skin prep as much as possible, especially if we're talking about summer, right? You don't want to be layering a ton of serums, moisturizer, sunscreen, and then whatever you're going to put on top of that, whether it's a tint, whether it's a foundation or a BB cream or whatever it is that you wear on your face. One of the ways to achieve that is to have a product that's a combination product, like say a moisturizer and a sunscreen. The two that I'm featuring today are both available at either Ulta or the drugstore. I have the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer and SPF 30. This one goes on clear. It's really great. Like I said, it's available at the drugstore. La Roche-Posay is one of my favorite drugstore brands. It's great. It's great skincare. It's great sunscreens. But the best thing about this is that it's 2-in-1. Another 2-in-1 from another one of my favorite brands, I promise you I'm not sponsored, is Naturium. This is the Dew Glow Moisturizer. This is an SPF of 30. So if you are a little on the drier side or you just don't mind looking even glowier in the summer heat, I highly recommend this one. It's going to give you the moisture and the protection that you need. But before I apply either one of those, I want to show you a trick that I like to use with this, which is my foundation, right? This is the L'Oreal True Match. This is a wonderful, wonderful foundation, especially for drugstore. Unless you've been under a rock, you know that L'Oreal is a solid drugstore brand. It's a great brand. But for me, I don't really want to wear something this heavy when it's super hot out. So what I like to do is I will take a little of my foundation and I will mix it. So essentially, I'm creating a tinted moisturizer SPF, which also eliminates 3 steps and makes it into one. That sounds pretty good to me. This is in my summer shade, so it actually matches my chest and my arms because I've been going out on hikes and spending a lot of time outside, but I always keep my face protected, whether it's under a hat or whatever. So my face is a little bit lighter than the rest of my body, but one of the ways that we can solve that is that this is just a little bit too dark for what I am right now. That will also be solved by mixing it with the moisturizer sunscreen combination. Another reason why I love to use this one in particular is because it is a little bit more radiant, and I find that that tends to break up the pigment in really heavy foundations or in more fuller coverage foundations like this one, and it keeps it lighter for summer. It's a perfect combination. So what we're gonna do, I'm actually gonna take just a little bit on the back of my hand to start. I'm gonna do a really thin layer first, just to make sure we have enough protection, because I know some of you are going to come at me in the comments and be like, that's not enough SPF. We're making sure we have enough SPF, I promise. Let's just get a thin layer down first. And yes, my brows are done already. If you watch my channel before, you know that I always do my brows first. And if you are looking for makeup for summer, recently I've done 2 separate tutorials on my favorite tinted sunscreens and my favorite face tints that don't include sunscreen, but that I like to wear on top of sunscreen. I will link those above in my summer makeup playlist. All right, so now that we have a thin layer of the Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF on our face, I'm going to take a little bit more right there, and then I'm gonna take my foundation, be like 2 pumps, and then we're just gonna mix it up. And this really thins out the foundation. And then taking my favorite brush, this is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Complexion Brush. I love this brush because you can really create kind of an airbrushed finish on the face, and you can go very, very light with your layers, which is what we're looking for, right? So I'm just gonna take some of the product in the brush, and then I'm just gonna start buffing onto the face. And like I said, we're almost creating our own tinted moisturizer SPF, and it doesn't feel like makeup. You're still getting a little bit of that tint, a little bit of that color correction, if that's what you're looking for. Down the neck, just because I want to match my chest. So quick, so easy, and my moisturizer, SPF, and face base are done. My next tip isn't necessarily about makeup that you might already have. You might already have this, who knows? But it's more about if you're looking to create something, but with less effort for the same amount of impact. What I mean is, say you want to create a smoky eye, but you don't want to do a crazy cut crease, or you don't want to pack color on top of color on top of color, especially in the summer. Who wants to wear heavy eye makeup on their eyes in the summer? For most of us, when it comes to summer, less really is more, right? So what this is it's essentially a liquid eyeshadow or a liquid eyeliner. So if you're thinking about adding a little bit of drama to your makeup, but you don't want to work too hard and you don't want it to be super complicated, that's where something like this comes in. This is from Half Magic Beauty. It's their eye paint. This is in the color Magic Brownie, and it's essentially just a pigment, pure pigment, just like that. You can use this as an eyeliner. You could also use it as a base if you want to do something a little bit more dramatic. But for me, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm just going to take a brush, and I'm just going to incorporate it into the brush, and then I'm going to look into the mirror and basically just buff it into the crease like that. And I'm going to take, don't panic, I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush. This is a 247 from Smith. Just buff that out. Let's do the other eye. Just going very lightly back and forth. And do you see how that gave me an eye look without a lot of effort? I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. For those of you who are curious, I used my Tweezerman eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. And then for mascara, I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in Latte Brown. Figured I would keep with the brown theme on the eyes and just go with a brown mascara to also keep it a little bit lighter than using a traditional black. Personally, I love to wear lipstick year round, no matter what the color, whether it's bright, whether it's red, whether it's nude. However, I don't really wear a lot of deep colors. I usually save those for the winter time. But what happens when you want to wear a winter color in the summer and make it work? You can pick a different formula. This is the Rouge Volupté Shine from YSL. I believe this is the number 90. And as you can see, it's quite a dark shade, but it's much more sheer. If you wanted to sheer it out even more, you could just take it on your finger and swipe it over your lips very lightly. The formula itself is very light, which lends to a lighter application, right? Even if going into it straight on is just a little bit too much for you, using your finger is a great way to do that. You can also use it as a blush and just tap it in. Because it's so sheer, the heat from your hands will blend it in if you press it in and make it very, very light. So what do you do when you want to wear a lip color like this, but it feels just a little too heavy or not appropriate for summer? Thinking about what we did with our finger and applying the lipstick, you want to diffuse the color first. So just take a paper towel, give it a good blot, so it almost creates like a stain. Now the blotted version is pretty, but to me, it doesn't really feel summery and it doesn't really feel young. It feels a little old, to be honest. I have a fix for that. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the color Manila, and as you can see, it's quite bright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it, just like that, in the middle of the lips, and we're gonna brighten up that lip. You can add as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna do one more layer. The thing I love about this technique is because you're layering the lighter color on top of the darker color, you're creating your own shade. And it's individual to you. You can go as bright or as light or as dark as you want. This hybrid of the two colors I think is really fun and super summery. We're halfway through the summer and we are halfway through the year, y'all. Isn't that crazy? Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more pro makeup content from me. I have some great stuff coming for the rest of this year and you're not going to want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.